guys, this video is a vlog of how I celebrated my Diwali and how I painted my diya lamps. So this video won't be having a regular intro and there are two things that you have to ignore. One, my hands are filled with paint during this video. Number two, I'll be shouting a lot while bursting crackers because I'm a little afraid of it. So you have to ignore both of those. Now without further ado, let's move on to the video.
Giving a white base makes the colors more vibrant. I used a sponge because if I had used a brush, it would have taken me 5 coats and a lot of my time. I know what you're thinking. I just now said that using a paintbrush wasn't effective because the strokes could be seen and I had to paint a lot of layers. But I thought it would work after I did the base coat. But it didn't. So I had to use a sponge again. If you've seen a lot of nail art videos, you'll know that they use a sponge to merge two of their colors. I just used the same technique in painting my lamps. Cool transition, right? I know. It took me a lot of time to do that one single simple transition. For this lamp, I thought of doing a sunset merging design, but I did not expect it to turn out this good because I used gold instead of yellow. In contrast to the red, I wanted to give the border of the lamp a greenish turquoise color. By now you must have noticed that I keep changing from sponge to brush to sponge to brush to sponge. The truth is that I didn't know where to use the sponge and where to use the brush. See, even now I changed to a brush. In today's interval, I'll be showing you how I celebrated my Diwali. Now moving on, we have a pair of lamps which are tiny and identical. When I was planning on applying green, I thought it would give a really nice merging effect, but in the camera it did not look like it was a merging effect at all. So these were the lamps that I had painted for Diwali, and I really loved the new merging effect that I had tried. Hope you liked it too.
Thank you for watching. Hope you liked it, and if you did, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe and share.